All right, everybody. So my name is Mason Jensen. This is my Intro to Engineering circuit backing up my transporter robot that me and my team kind of developed. So I'll just start off with browsing through my code so everybody can see. And then I'll just give you a quick rundown of all my components. So I got two DC motors, an L293D chip, an IR sensor, my 9-volt battery, my IR remote. I have a force sensor and two distance sensors. I'll just go ahead and get into how everything operates. So button one is going to put my robot in forward. Button two is going to be a left turn. Button three is going to be reverse. Button four is going to be my left turn. And I put this robot in here. Um, my plan is that this would be a GPS system, so it navigate completely autonomously. But I'm putting this robot in here or this remote in here to show how everything would work. But anyways, I'll just get into my distance sensors. So my front distance sensor is going to detect that if anything is within 36 inches of the front of the vehicle, it will kill the power to all four motor pins, which in turn stops the vehicle. And then my rear distance sensor is going to do the same thing. If anything is within 36 inches of the rear of the vehicle, it's going to stop both motors, kill the power to all four pins, which in turn also stops it. Um, Going from there, I'll talk about my force sensor. So my force sensor is also going to be kind of my weight scale, but also is going to be a form of communication. So if the force is showing 0, that is going to tell the other robots that, hey, I have not received a tool, you have not dropped it in. If that force sensor rises, it's going to print the serial monitor, hey, I received a tool, your job is complete. And I'll show you how it kind of prints in the serial monitor here shortly. Um, but I'll just go ahead and show you now, actually. So I'll start this up and show you everything. So 1 goes in forward, 2 is going to be that left turn, 3 is going to be the reverse, and 4 is going to be the left turn. And then say if I put that in forward and these distance sensors fall below the limit, it's going to kill. If I bump that back up, it'll allow the system to start again. And I'll just go ahead and show you here. So if I hit the volume up button, it's going to say that the order received from small parts picker, which would tell the transporter to navigate there. And then down would be the tool picker sending a request that the transporter needs to navigate over there. And then you can see here that no tool was received, which is my force sensor. If I increase that up, it's going to say tool received and the weight of that tool. But that is the general gist of how everything works. Um, yeah, so that's all I got. Thanks.